Hey guys, this is Owen from Owen Travels, and today let me take you to Bicol International Airport, one of the Philippines' newest and most picturesque gateways nestled in the shadow of the majestic Mount Mayon Volcano. This airport inaugurated on October 7, 2021, and this airport boasts a sleek and contemporary design offering travelers a fresh and efficient travel experience. So, let's go!
We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. Para sa kaayusan, manatili po munang nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelt. Hanggang ang fasten seatbelt.
I arrived from Manila on Philippine Airlines and had the pleasure of using one of the two glass jet bridges. Stepping off the aircraft, I was greeted by the awe-inspiring view of Mayon Volcano in the distance. Just arrived. There's Dunkin' Donut. Ang ganda ha. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this experience, please subscribe to my channel, Owen Travels, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Your thanks and support mean the world to me. Walking through the arrival corridors, the floor-to-ceiling windows frame the volcano beautifully, setting the stage of an unforgettable journey. The arrival hall is located one floor down. There is an elevator and escalator available. So on the arrival hall, there's a single baggage claim efficiently handles luggage retrieval for all flights. Despite its modest size, the terminal's modern aesthetics might make you forget you're in the Philippines. Bicol International Airport is situated in the town of Daraga, and the airport is located just 9 kilometers from Legazpi City's center. And outside the terminal, you can spot Big's Diner, a famous local food chain serving up the best of Bicol's cuisine. And as we navigate going to the departure area, you'll pass through a security check since the current setup does not include a dedicated x-ray machine for checked baggages. And the expansive, clean check-in hall is currently served by Philippine Airlines and Cebu Paciic with flights to Manila, Cebu, and Iloilo. And as of the moment, Cebu Paciic operates 3 times a day going to and from Manila, a mix of Airbus A320 and ATR aircraft, while CEB Go, Cebu Pacific's partner for turboprop operation, flies to and from Cebu 3 times a day. Before reaching the gate area, you have to go through to a secondary security checkpoint. The departure hall is bustling with a variety of shops and restaurants, creating a vibrant atmosphere as you wait for your flight. Whether you're stocking up on local treats like pili nuts for your journey or eager to savor a meal that's authentically Bicolano like Laing and Bicol Express, the airport's culinary corner is a must visit. It's time to say goodbye for now to Bicol International Airport. And this airport has 2 bridges to board passengers. So for my flight to Cebu, boarding involved taking the stairs down and heading out onto the ramp. Walking alongside a turboprop aircraft, I enjoyed one last magnificent view of Mount Mayon. And all I can say is that Bicol International Airport not only offers a gateway to the region, but also an immersive travel experience enriched by nature's grandeur. With future plans to expand domestic and international routes to or from Bicol Airport, the airport is set to make the region of Bicol to become more interesting to tourists locally and globally. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my vlog, and see you on my next trip report. Bye for now!